Welcome to the 32nd edition of ICT Academy's BRIDGE event. This event is a milestone event happening at a time when there is a whole lot of reinvention that is taking place. Reinvention at the individual level, reinvention at the corporate level, reinvention at the education level, and so on. This reinvention is going to take us into a new digital era, and the digital transformation that governments and corporates are struggling with have to be solved by the millennials that we have in this country and the new educated people who are joining the workforce. The future of technology, which is embedded in all walks of life and all industries, are driven by data, analytics, and artificial intelligence. Devices, augmented reality, etc. are technologies that enable insight from data to be used effectively for business purposes. Today's industry and the employees who enter the technology industry have to be equipped with the skills that we have never been used to before. There is a complete set of future skills that is going to be relevant in the next 5 to 10 years, and these skills are relevant in the context of the future of work that we are chasing. There are jobs and job skills that we were comfortable with, which are going to go away, but there are new opportunities, tremendous new opportunities that are being created in the new technology area. And it's the responsibility of industry, government, academicians to create the new workforce which is ready for the future of work and ready with the skills that are required for the future. As I mentioned earlier, ICT Academy is reinventing itself ahead of the industry, of academic institutions, in order to bring forth these future skills to the millions of people who will enter the technology job market. We encourage all the industries, individual corporate members to participate and provide the right inputs so that the relevant skills are imparted to the future workforce. And more importantly, I would request all the academic institutions and industry bodies to collaborate with the ICT Academy in bringing together a comprehensive new platform for future skills that will be relevant for future of work. ICT Academy, which has grown so tremendously and has a reputation, is committed to creating a new India with the skills that is going to be relevant for the 2030s. Thank you, and I welcome you to the 32nd edition of ICT Academy's BRIDGE. Thank you.